Okay, so we're told that the 3 points A, B and C are 3 points on this circle, and find the equation of the circle. So the easiest thing to do, especially when one of the points is 0, 0, is to make up 3 equations and solve them simultaneously. Now obviously, like anything in maths, when 0, 0 is a point on the curve or the line or circle or whatever it is, it actually means straight away that C is 0. Now we can also see that by filling in 0, 0 for x and y, but there really isn't any point. Okay, so straight away there we get that 0, 0 implies that C is equal to 0. Okay, the next point then is 6.50. Okay, 6.5 comma 0. Now what does this give me? Okay, well if you look at the way I've just kind of rearranged this, okay, I've literally just put the pink part here, the first two, over to here, because they're the only ones that don't have G, F's and C's, and the G, F and the C here is part of the circle. There are 3 of the unknowns in the circle that we're trying to find. But I do know my x and y to be 6.5 and 0. So basically then, filling into this, I'll have double the x in front of G, which will be 13G. I'll have double the y, which is 0, in front of F, so I won't have any, plus C. And then over here in pink, I've minus x squared minus y squared. So 6.5 squared is 42.25, and I'm going to stick a minus in front of it. And obviously 0 squared is 0. Okay, and then working down with this, so obviously because I know that C is 0, I can straight away say that 13G is equal to minus 42.25, giving me then that G is equal to minus 42.25 over 13, giving me a G to be minus 3.25. Okay, so the next thing then I need is I have 10, 7. So I need to make up an equation for this. Okay, now again, looking up here, and I'll just highlight it in green, just as I'm going along, I'm going to double the x and put it in front of G, because it's 2gx. So double the x is 20. So 20g. And then I'm going to double the y and put it in front of F, plus 14f. This just speeds up the process of making up these equations. And then we have our plus c. Then at the far side, what do I need to do with these? I need to square the two of them. So 10 squared is 100, 7 squared is 49. So that means it's 149 in total, and it'll be a sign change, so 149. So you just very quickly then get those equations. Now we already know our g, because we found it in the last one. Okay, so all we're left to find here is our f, and we also know c, minus 149. So minus 65 plus 14f is equal to minus 149. 14f is equal to minus 84. So f is equal to minus 6. Okay, so then we go back and put this into our equation. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 2g. Okay, so minus plus 2g, sorry, plus 2gf. Okay, 2gx. So 2 of that is minus 6.5 x, and 2 of this is minus 12y. C was 0, and that's equal to 0. So that's the equation of my circle.